Guys, it's Tajir. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So I'm really excited for today's video. As you can see by the title, we're going to be doing a Pride makeup look. As you can also probably tell by my shirt, I just love Pride and Pride makeup looks because I love super colorful looks, and I also just love what Pride stands for, like being yourself, being authentically you, and all that good stuff. So I'm not much of a talker, so if you guys want to see my Pride makeup look, then just keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so I did my eyebrows off camera already, just because I didn't want to do them on camera. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. They look okay today. Sometimes they be looking atrocious, but it is what it is. So now we're gonna just prime my eyes, which we're gonna use the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 20. I don't really know what I want to do today, but I know obviously that it's going to be colorful. So first I'm just going to take the Beauty Bay EYM 42 color bright palette, and I'm going to take Bare Necessities on this big Juvia's Place brush just to like set that concealer just so it doesn't crease. And I want the colors to be very vibrant, but because I don't really know exactly what I'm doing, I kind of just want to set it, because while I'm like sitting here thinking about it, it will like crease and stuff. Also guys, I'm filming this on Juneteenth. Happy Juneteenth to all my black people out there. I love you guys so much. I feel like this holiday is very special, and also Pride is for you guys as well. I feel like a lot of people during Pride leave out black queer people, and that's really unfortunate, because I feel like a lot of the community and the vibes and the aesthetic was based on black queer people. So just know that I love you guys so much, and you're always in my heart, and I think about you every single day, and you're the best, and you are just very iconic. Also, black women, black queer women, I love you, I see you. Okay, so I don't know what I want to do. What's the rainbow? Red, orange, yellow. Okay, so first I think I'm gonna take the M441 brush, and I'm gonna take Tangerine Dream, and I'm gonna put it in the crease, like in the inner corner. We're gonna take the BH Cosmetics tapered blending brush. Honestly, this is one of like the best, I can't talk, blending brushes I've used. Okay, and now I'm going to take that M441 brush again, and I'm going to take Heat Wave, and I'm going to put that in the same spot, just under it. And I'm going to take that same brush, and I'm going to take Hot Stuff, which is a red shade, and just put that in the crease as well, just the inner part. I'm going to take that BH Cosmetics brush and just blend that out. I'm going to take some Hello Sunshine and just blend that into the crease as well. Okay, I'm going to take Cherry Aid and just darken up that crease a little bit. Now I'm going to take the M504 brush, and I'm going to take Granny Smith, and I'm going to blend that on the outer part of the eye. Actually, really quick, before I do that, I'm gonna kind of cut my crease. You'll see. Hold on. Okay, now I'm gonna take Granny Smith and just blend that into the outer part. It's kind of turning bluish, so I'm just going to take Paradise from that palette and just make it blue. I'm going to take the M506 brush, and I'm going to take Labyrinth, which is like a green shade. I'm just going to put that where I put the blue. And now with an M167 brush, I'm going to take Modern Way, which is a purple, I'm just gonna put that on my crease, but not all the way up to where I cut the crease. I feel like that purple isn't purpling enough. Like, I don't know why. I'm gonna take some Fairy Tale, which is like a shimmer purple in the palette, and just put that on top of the purple. What do I want to do? Okay, I think I'm gonna put gems along like the cut crease. Like I said, this purple isn't purpling enough for me, so I'm trying to figure out something that I can do to make it like look a little bit better. But I'm also trying to think if I should just start over completely. Okay, I'm not gonna start over, but I definitely am gonna try to like fix it a little bit. Let's see. So I'm gonna take my lash glue and I'm just gonna do a line where you see like the concealer on the crease. I'm gonna take my gems. Okay guys, so I did my other eye off camera and I just did my foundation, so now I'm gonna do my under eye. So I'm just gonna take, oh, I want to tell you guys, you know how I said I wanted to spice up the purple a little bit? I took the Juvia's Place Wahala 2 and I took this beautiful purple like pressed glitter, which is called Cola or K-O-L-O, Colo. And I love it and it's beautiful, so I just used that. And now for my under eye, I'm gonna take Sugar Plum and put that underneath like the purple. And then on that same brush, I'm just gonna wipe it off and I'm just gonna take Oasis and I'm gonna put that on the outer part. Basically just the same thing that I used for like the top, we're gonna use on the bottom. I don't know, I kind of want to do something. Maybe I'll put some, it is a very beautiful palette. I can't believe I haven't used it until like just now. Look how beautiful that is. I think I'm gonna take some of this silver shade. I think it's called Gobe. Okay, period. It's giving. Okay, I put a little bit on my nose. That was kind of a bad idea because it's like very glittery, but I also put some in my inner corner, which that is so cute. Okay, I'm gonna go off camera and put on a lash. I don't think I'm gonna do a wing. I think I'm just gonna like do my lash line with some eyeliner just so it conceals my lashes. And then the eye look is so loud that I think I'm just gonna do like a brown lip liner and some gloss, because you don't want to really combat, you want the eye look to be the main focus. You don't really want to do like anything else with the lips. So I'm gonna do all that and I'll come back with you guys for the finished look. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I just went off camera and put on a lash like I said and just put on a gloss, and I think this look is really, really cute. I think it would be especially cute if you're going to like a pride event to do this look. It's very extra, but like this is the best time to be extra, I feel like. But yeah, I think it's really cute. I had my doubts in the beginning about the look, but I think it's really, really cute. Let me know what you guys think down below. This is it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. It'll also be in the description box down below. If you're celebrating Pride, if you're a part of the LGBTQ plus community, just know that I love you and you are very special and you deserve to celebrate this month because you are authentically you and no one is a better you than you. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you guys recreate this look. You can tag me on any of my social medias. Like I said, all that good stuff. You can find me wherever you want. I really want to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, so if you're seeing this video, please subscribe. I would love to have you a part of the family. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys. Stay you, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.